Welcome back to my channel. God, I actually like it. Always wanted to be a content creator, and isa yun sa dahilan why I decided to give up my 9 to 5 job. I feel like paulit-ulit lang yung vlog ko na ganito. Kasi baka hindi mag-workout yung magiging channel ko or stuff like that. So this YouTube is basically about how I started as a content creator. Hopefully this would give you inspiration. So, right now, nandito ako sa probinsya. It's been like, magwa 1 year na ako dito and I can't even believe na nagtagal ako ng ganito katagal kasi most of the time, week lang talaga ako dito kasi nga I was in Manila for like half of my life, I guess. Reason why kung bakit umuwi ako dito kasi nga I suffered mental illness. I got a depression. Just wanted to have a new environment. Tinutulungan ko lang yung sarili ko. It's really hard when you live alone and you're fighting your own battle. So, dumating na ako sa point na natatakot na ako sa sarili ko. Fortunately, I don't have a job yet. Ang balak ko talaga kung bakit ako umuwi dito kasi I'm planning to switch my career from 9 to 5 job to a freelancing. Di pala ganun kadali when you switch your career kasi ang dami pang dapat matutunan. Kasalanan ko naman kasi nga I've been procrastinating. Ano ba yung tawag mo? Nakalimutan ko yung Actually, ang kalaban ko lang talaga yung sarili ko. Hindi ko alam kung paano labanan yung katamaran. Yun din yung downside if you switch to a freelancing. Kasi nga, syempre, hawak mo yung oras mo. Pero nakapasok na ako before, pero hindi nga lang ako masyadong nagtagal. Kasi nga, I was a cold caller and mahina kasi talaga. Medyo mahina tayo sa sales. Kaya hindi ko na-maintain yung work. Yun lang. Sa video na to, I wanted to share my journey as a unemployed. Paano ko simulan yung journey ko as a vlogger? Samahan niyo ako sa journey ko. I really need your support. Pero kung ayaw niyo, okay lang naman. You can skip this video. Hopefully in the future, my video would finally make sense. Comment din kayo kung ano yung mga suggestion niyo na pwede kong gawin. Yun lang naman gusto ko i-share today, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye!